Hey guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for an Akrapovic exhaust, and then afterwards I'm going to do an install video, but that's going to be in a separate link that I'll put in the description below. For now, I'm just going to show you exactly what comes in the box, how it comes packaged, and what models it's for. I believe it's also the CB650F, as well as the CBR650F, but this is going to be on the 2019 CBR650R. So I haven't seen that video of the install thus far on YouTube or anywhere else online for this particular model. So I figured I'd make one. I don't do this on a normal basis, but I'll try to make it as informative as I possibly can. Thanks guys. So we'll start off with just using a knife. We'll cut this front end open here. See what it looks like. And the packaging looks quite nice right from the get-go. See that it comes with a lot of padding. It's like this is an instruction manual with some hardware and some springs inside. This looks like an O2 sensor adapter for whoever wants to run the O2. I believe that everybody should, but this is the decatted version because we don't like cats. It's not really necessary in my state. And here we have the warranty, comes with it. Looks super, super nicely packaged. I'm gonna flip it around because it looks like the styrofoam's on the other side. So the headers are right here. These are stainless steel headers. And they come nicely packaged as well. Let's see that. It says 650F on the front, however, they should fit this model as well. So we'll test that. And I did confirm that with Fortnine.ca. So I will let you guys know whether they were correct or not by the end of the install. The last piece we have is the actual titanium and exhaust. And it looks like they taped it up and put in some styrofoam. Very, very well packed, super duper light. You could tell the qualities here. I mean, for a $1,700 Canadian product, it's quite expensive. So I'm hoping it's worth it. And last but not least, we have, looks like installation guide in a different language. I believe this is German or wherever it's manufactured. So moving on to cutting this open here. Slide that, there we go. Cut that open, boom. And here's the actual muffler itself. Wow, it looks fantastic. It looks really, really, really good. No scratches, looks like there's a baffle. There's a little baffle screw here if you do end up taking it out. So from what I understand, you just pop it out. Might be a little bit more difficult than it looks, but it covers up a some kind of set screw. Some people have said that it's tack welded on, but the tack is really, really weak. So you can just pop it out with a rubber mallet. And yeah, it says that it doesn't meet emission requirements, which is fantastic. We don't care here in our state. And yeah, so we'll go on to the installation video next, and I'll put that in my description like I mentioned, and you guys can hear the before and after sounds. It's going to sound great, I'm sure of it. All right guys, thanks for watching.